Lesson 7. More about Internet. The Internet is a huge network that connects computers all over the world. Using Internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an Internet connection. Children will be able to learn various uses of Internet, know about Internet connection, understand Internet-related terms. Microsoft Edge. Neha. Hey Tia, do you remember about the Internet? What we have learned in our previous class? Tia. Yes, Neha. The Internet is a big network that helps us to find information, read stories, talk to people, do shopping, play games, etc. Neha. That's right, Tia. It also helps us to send and receive messages too. Tia. And it's where we can watch fun videos and talk to our friends and family, even if they are far away. Neha. Exactly, Tia. The Internet is like a big, friendly helper for many things we do on. Internet. LAN. Wireless. The Internet is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities. It consists of a system of interconnected networks resulting in the linkage of millions of businesses, government agencies, educational institutions, and individuals. Uses of Internet. It is used to access lots of information, news, and research material. It allows us to communicate with others around the world. It is used in banks for transactions. It is used in online shopping. It is used in downloading and listening to music. It is used in taking a course or accessing other educational material. It is used in accessing sources of entertainment and leisure such as online games, magazines, and holiday planning guides. It is used in accessing other computers, mobile phones, and helps to exchange files. It is used in sharing and editing documents with others in real time. To support the above-mentioned uses and other activities, the Internet provides a variety of services that include www, World Wide Web, email, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, instant messaging, chat rooms, newsgroups, message boards. Connecting to the Internet. You have learned to use the Internet for browsing the World Wide Web and communicate with others using email. However, to use these services, you need to be connected to the Internet. Various ways of connecting to the Internet. Broadband. A broadband connection allows us to use Internet services that require high speed, such as playing online games or watching online videos. With a broadband connection, we remain always connected to the Internet. Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi connection uses radio frequency bands for connecting to the Internet. It offers high speed and can be used for mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones. It is a broadband connection without using wires or cables. Basic requirements for an Internet connection. Computer system. The computer system is the basic requirement for accessing the Internet connection, and the Internet can be accessed by a desktop computer or a laptop. Modem. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. It enables a computer system to send or receive information using a telephone line. It is usually provided by the ISP. A router is used to distribute this signal to the connected devices. Internet Service Provider, ISP. To connect your computer to the Internet, you need to connect an Internet Service Provider, ISP. You also need some hardware and software for the same. Let us know more about them. An Internet Service Provider, ISP, is a company that offers connectivity to the Internet by charging a fee. It provides you with a username and password using which you can connect your computer or another device to the Internet. When we send or receive the information on the Internet, it first reaches the ISP. The speed of your Internet connection is measured in megabits per second, Mbps. The speed decides how fast your web page loads in the browser. BSNL, Airtel, Tata Teleservices, Virgin, and Reliance Jio are a few examples of Internet service providers. Internet terminology. Let us understand some of the common terms associated with the Internet. www or World Wide Web is a collection of interconnected pages that contain text, pictures, audio, and movies. The various pages are connected using links and can be accessed through the Internet. Fact Corner. The very first widely popular browser was Mosaic, which was available from 1993 and discontinued in 1997. Web pages are the pages that make up the World Wide Web. A web page is created by using a language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It can be seen or accessed using a web browser. The pages may contain text, images, audios, videos, and links. Phrases such as navigation the web or surfing the web are used when we visit one web page followed by the other. A website is a collection of related web pages. A browser is a software program that allows us to access and view web pages. Some examples of browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. Hyperlink, link, is an inbuilt connection to another related web page or a part of a web page. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, is a web address which is written in the browser. Web server is a computer that serves web pages that we request. When you enter the address of a web page in the browser, it sends a request to the server and it organizes the connection between the address and our computer. E-commerce, electronic commerce, enables to buy and sell things on the Internet. Weblog, usually shortened to blog but occasionally spelled weblog or weblog, is a web-based publication consisting of email. Electronic mail is the transmission of messages and files via a computer network. It is one of the original services on the Internet. It enables scientists and researchers working on government-sponsored projects to communicate with colleagues at other locations. Some websites provide email services free of charge. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, is protocol that allows us to upload and download files with other computers on the Internet. A newsgroup is an online area in which users conduct written discussion about a particular subject. To participate in a discussion, a user sends a message to the newsgroup, and other users in the newsgroup read and reply to the message. Chat is a typed conversation that takes place on a computer. Instant messaging, IM, is an internet communication service that notifies us when one or more people are online and then allows us to exchange messages, files, or join a private chat. Tech Corner. Wi-Fi is a device, such as a computer, telephone, or personal digital assistant (PDA), that can connect to the Internet. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the browser created for Windows 10. Edge replaced Internet Explorer, IE, the browser that debuted with Windows 95 and was a part of Windows operating systems for 2 decades. Edge is a smaller, more streamlined browser built on web standards and designed for web services. Flashback. The Internet is a global computer network that links together millions of businesses, government agencies, educational institutions, and individuals. A web page contains text, graphics, sound, and video, as well as inbuilt connections to other documents. Email, electronic mail, is the transmission of messages and files via a computer network. Hyperlink, link, is an inbuilt connection to another related web page or a part of a web page. Browser is a software program that allows us to access and view web pages.